Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Most people from the middle class feel that salary is something temporary, just like a full moon that appears once in a month and slowly disappears within a few days. The moment salary comes, life feels comfortable, but very quickly expenses start eating it one by one. Rent, food, travel, shopping, EMIs, subscriptions, and small lifestyle expenses together make the salary disappear before the next month arrives. At the end, many people are left waiting for the next salary or depending on credit cards, loans, or borrowed money. This cycle continues for years, and many never realize that the problem is not income, but how the income is being used. The truth is very simple but powerful. Wealth is not created only by earning more money. Wealth is created by understanding how money behaves over time. Some people treat money only as something to spend. Some people try to save a little. But a very small group of people understand the most important rule of wealth creation, which is investing money so that it grows by itself. The difference between these three types of people is not intelligence or education. It is discipline, patience, and long-term thinking. Now let us understand this through a simple story. Imagine three friends, Rahul, Karan, and Aman, who come to a big city for jobs with similar education and similar salaries. All three are excited about their future, but each one has a completely different mindset about money. Rahul wants to enjoy life quickly, Karan wants to build assets for the future, and Aman wants to understand how money can grow through investing and compounding. Over time, their decisions create completely different life outcomes. Rahul starts enjoying city life very fast. He takes a rented apartment in a premium area near his office, starts using EMIs for a bike, and spends freely on food, entertainment, travel, and shopping. At first, everything feels exciting and motivating. But slowly, his fixed expenses increase every month. His salary looks good, but his commitments grow faster than his income. Every month, a large part of his earnings goes into paying rent, EMIs, and lifestyle expenses. He works hard, but he is always stuck in the cycle of earning and spending without building anything long-term. Karan takes a different approach. He chooses a simpler lifestyle and starts focusing on long-term opportunities instead of short-term comfort. He studies markets, especially real estate in developing areas. Instead of spending his extra money on luxury, he saves and invests carefully in areas that have future growth potential. At first, progress is slow and not very exciting. But after a few years, as the area develops, property prices increase and rental demand grows. His investments start producing monthly income, and slowly he builds assets that support him even when he is not actively working. Aman follows a completely different path. He starts learning about money management, investing, and compounding from the beginning of his career. He follows a simple rule: control unnecessary spending, save consistently, and invest regularly in long-term instruments like index funds. He understands that wealth does not come from one big decision, but from small consistent actions repeated over many years. He also improves his skills and creates multiple income sources. Because of this, his money does not stay idle in his account. It keeps growing through compounding and disciplined investing. After many years, the difference between all three becomes very clear. Rahul is still working mainly to maintain his lifestyle and pay EMIs. His income increases slowly, but his expenses also increase with it, so he never feels financially free. Karan has built strong assets like property that generate rental income and long-term value appreciation. He has reduced his dependency on job income. Aman has built a strong investment portfolio through compounding, and his money is now working for him continuously, giving him both financial growth and freedom of time. The most important lesson from this story is that financial success is not about how much money you earn today, but about how long your money stays invested and how wisely you use it. Expenses give temporary happiness, but investments create permanent freedom. EMIs and uncontrolled lifestyle spending can trap you for years, why disciplined investing and patience can completely change your future. Compounding is not just a formula, it is a powerful force that rewards time and consistency. If you really want to change your financial future, start taking small steps today. Focus on learning investing, avoid unnecessary EMIs, control lifestyle inflation, and build assets instead of liabilities. Even small investments done consistently can grow into large wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes in your life. Like, share, subscribe,